going to be very interesting, because today we are going to discuss some important not only questions, but also we are going to solve some theory also. Means today we present matrix in the form of symmetric matrix and exclusive symmetric matrix also. So today's video is very important because we are doing some theoretical part in this video also. So this is a very important video. Express matrix A is the matrix A is the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrices where A equal 6 to 54. 6 to 54. This is question. Express A is the sum of symmetric matrix and exclusive symmetric matrix where A equal A equal 6 to 54. Now this is a question and we have to solve this question. Now what is the star? We are right here. We have writing here star. What is the star? This is a topic to show a matrix. To show a matrix is the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrices. To show a matrix is the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. This is the topic and we are going to discuss about this topic. So firstly, a question is given, that is A is given already in question. Matrix A is given, matrix A is given. This is the first point. Now what about second point? Then find A transpose. Second is find A transpose. You have to find A transpose, means we have to convert in transpose matrix. Now third one is, if you find A and A transpose, and then in third step you have to find P, and P is equal to 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. P is equal to 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. In next step, what you have to do? You have to solve. You have to find P transpose. In fourth step, you have to find P transpose. What about next step? It is fifth step, and you have to show that P transpose is equal to P. It means it is symmetric matrix. So it is symmetric matrix. P transpose equal P, so we can say that it is symmetric matrix. Now next step, it is 6. What about 6? When we are saying about the 6th step, it is symmetric matrix. So when we are saying about the symmetric matrix, you have to find Q, and what is Q? Q equal 1 by 2 A minus A transpose is Q. It is P transpose equal P, and Q equal 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. Okay, now In next step you have to find Q transpose, and Q transpose in next step, and in next step you have to find Q transpose is equal to minus Q. So if you are it is possible to find Q transpose equal to Q, so we can say that it is skew symmetric matrix. So if it is possible to find Q transpose equal minus Q, we can say that it is skew symmetric matrix. And what about the next step? When we are saying about the next step, we can say that now we have to prove that P plus Q equal A. And what about it? It is symmetric matrix plus Q skew symmetric matrix equal A given matrix. So what is the statement? Symmetric matrix you have to present in symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix, and it is sum symmetric matrix and sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix is a given matrix. So this is your statement. So we have know how can we solve this matrix. So P plus Q is equal to A. So it is symmetric matrix and it is skew symmetric matrix, and that is given matrix. So when we are saying about the express the matrix is the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix, you have to follow all these rules. So you get 100% marks in board classes. So it is very necessary that you have to solve these questions by this process and step by step, so you get the good marks. So now step by step. Okay, matrix A is given, that is 6 2 5 4. It is given 6 2 5 4. Look at the question carefully. It is 6 2 5 4. Okay, 6 2 5 4 is the question. Now what is the second step? Find A transpose. A transpose means 6 2 5 4. Okay, have you got it? Okay, next one is third step. What is the third step? We have to find P. Let P equal 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. Means P equal 1 by 2. What about A plus A transpose? When we are saying about the A plus A transpose, just add the corresponding elements. So 6 plus 6 it is 12, 5 plus 2 it is 7, 5 plus 2 it is 7, and 4 plus 4 it is 8. So students, this is a P. Now question arises, what about the next step, that is P transpose. P transpose is equal to just convert row to column. So it is 12 7 and 7 8. So if it is P and it is P transpose, so we can say that P transpose equal to P or not. So just check. P transpose is 1 by 2, 12 7 7 8. What about P? P is 1 by 2 and it is 12 7 7 8. Both are same or not? Both are same. So we can say that it is symmetric matrix. So we can say that it is symmetric matrix. Okay students, so we have in middle part, so we can say that it is symmetric matrix. Now question arises, what is the next step? So what about the next step? When we are saying about the next step, we can say that it is step number 5th. Step number 5th is 1 by 2. We have to find Q, and Q equal 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. Q equal A minus A transpose. Okay, so Q equal 1 by 2. What about the A minus A transpose? When we are saying about the A minus A transpose, it is 6 minus 6, it is 0. Okay, 2 minus 5 means it is minus 3. 5 minus 2 it is 3. 4 minus 4 it is 0. Okay, so it is Q. What about the next step? Q transpose. What about the Q transpose? Q transpose is 0, minus 3, 3 and 0. Just convert row to column. So this is Q transpose. Now next step is Q transpose equal to given that Q transpose equal to 0, 3, minus 3, 0. So Q transpose equal to, just take the minus common, so it is minus 1 by 2, 0, minus 3, 3, 0. So what is the value? This is Q transpose equal to minus 1 by 2, and it is, what about it? It is Q 1 by 2, 0, minus 3, 3, 0. So we can say that it is Q. So Q transpose is equal to minus Q. So we can say, that it is skew symmetric matrix. So we can say that it is skew symmetric matrix. So this is symmetric matrix and this is skew symmetric matrix. Now question arises, what about the P plus Q? Next step is, what about the P plus Q? So what is the P? Is it P plus Q equal A or not? So P plus Q is equal to, P is P. Where is the P? P is 1 by 2, 12, 7, 7, 8 plus 1 by 2. Q is equal to 1 by 2, 0, minus 3, 3, 0. So it is 1 by 2 and it is 12 plus 0, it is 12, 7 minus 3, it is 4, 7 plus 3 means it is 8, and 8 plus 3, 8 plus 0, it is 8. So what about this? This is a 6, 2, 7 plus 3, it is 10, it is 10, it is 5, and it is 4. So what about the execution? A equals 6254, 6254. So this is the A. So we can say that P plus Q equal A. So we can say that it is presented by is the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. So it is clear now that we can present any matrix in the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. But be careful, it should be a square matrix. So do you want to take some other question? A is even. A is 2, 8, 6, 10. It is given. Now A transpose equal to 2, 8, 6, 10, 2, 6, 2, 8, 6, 10. It is A transpose. Now question arises, what about the next step? A and A transpose we have already find P. What is the P? P equal 1 by 2. A plus A transpose. So P equal 1 by 2. The value of A equal A plus A transpose, it is 4. And 8 plus 6, it is 14. 6 plus 8, it is 14. Or 10 plus 10, it is 20. So it is P. Now what about P transpose? When we are saying about the P transpose, it is 4, 14. Just convert row to column, 14, 20. So what about the P? P transpose equal to P or not? P transpose is equal to 1 by 2, 4, 14, 14, 20. So P transpose is equal to P. So it is symmetric matrix. Now let Q equal 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. Q equal 1 by 2. What about the A minus A transpose? When we are saying about the A minus A transpose, it is 2 minus 2, it is 0. 8 minus 6 it is 2, 6 minus 8 it is minus 2, and 10 minus 10 it is 0. It is q. Now q transpose equal to 1 by 2, just convert row to column, it is 0 2 minus 2 0. Take minus common, so we can say that q transpose equal to minus 1 by 2, 0 2 minus 2 0, 0 2 minus 2 0, 0 2 minus 2 0. It is q transpose. Now it is p transpose and it is q transpose, and it is q transpose 1 by 2 0 minus 2 and take minus, so we can say that it is q transpose equal to minus q, because what is the q? Q is 1 by 2 0 2 minus 2 0, it is same than that behalf of negative sign, so we can say q transpose equal to minus q. So it is, so we can say that it is skew symmetric matrix. So it is skew symmetric matrix. Now p plus q. What about the p plus q? P plus q is equal to, what is the p? P is the 1 by 2 4 14 14 20, and the 1 q equal 1 by 2 0 2 minus 2 0, so it is 1 by 2, and 4 plus 4 4 plus 0 it is 4, 14 plus 2 it is 16, 14 minus 2 it is 12, 20 plus 0 it is 20. Now divided by 2, so we can say that it is 2 8 6 10. So is it question? It is a 2 8 6 10, so it is a. So we can say that p plus q equal a, and it is we are presented in the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix, so it is your answer.